Component 2, task book, question 7, warfarin. In a funny little place in Wales, Welsh pool. Resistance to this poison is thought to be controlled by a single dominant allele, so pretty straightforward genetics there. Explain how the warfarin resistant allele developed initially. So it's just taking your knowledge of stuff from AO1 and relating it to an AO2 situation. So how do we get any alleles whatsoever? Well, we just started with a normal one and suddenly we get a resistant one. So how do these genes change? Explain how the allele came common in that population. In these questions on evolution, natural selection, we're always looking for to put the same bit of knowledge into the question. Things, how do the mechanics of natural selection work? And this is where that opportunity is here. So 3 marks, and we're saying, if we've got the resistant allele, well, what happens to the rabbits? And then what'll make more of that allele become common? But we're looking at our natural selection knowledge there. 2 ways which alleles spread through the rat population. Well, what do rats do? You try and catch one, they're pretty nippy, so think about that. And also, when you're not looking, what do rats get up to? Which will also spread alleles around. Another classic, this is a classic bit of biology to do with warfarin resistance and vitamin K. And so the spread of the resistant population was dependent on the continued use of warfarin. And you need to have, look in your notes, this is in your notes, using words like kind of selective advantage, and disadvantage, and think about the warfarin and the vitamin K. So what happens if warfarin's there and vitamin K is there? What happens if warfarin's there and vitamin K isn't there? So those situations there. You only need kind of two good points there. But use words like selected for, selected against, advantage, disadvantage, that sort of thing there.